everybody, welcome to the Laboratory 3 Creative Skunk Works. I'm Bo McDonald.
And I am Mighty Mouth, yes, the one and only.
Today's video is brought to you in conjunction with the Knight Foundation Facebook page. You can see the link there right here on your screen. Today, very special day for us. We have just received Season 3 and 4 dashboard and switch pod electronics from Alessandro Zagni of ZA Electronics.
Hey, I don't think Alessandro at ZA Electronics really needs your help to look good.
Well, anyway, so what we're going to do today, this is going to be a multi-video series, starting with the unboxing.
Now taking bets on this guy breaking something.
Then we're going to open each component individually, give it a good look, assemble the whole thing here on the test bench, and give it a good workout. So, great time to be alive in the Knight Rider hobby community, thanks to ZA Electronics. Let's get started.
Ah, the dramatic box cut. I got $10 American, says you miss and stab the table.
To give Alessandro wonderful props for creating these lovely bespoke boxes complete with the logo. It's a lot of vendors you'll see just send things out in boxes that they can construct. There's nothing wrong with that. Just a nice little branding touch. Be super careful not to go too deep with the blade. Lots of tape holding this together. This box has no loose ends that for me to worry about. Oh man. So, oh, there's a moment of truth here. Oh, even more tape. Oh, look at that. Nicely packed. Got some bubble bags on each side. And the instruction manual right here at the very top has everything that we need. It has a complete rundown of everything that you're going to find in here. Look at that. A very thick instruction manual that's going to come with it. And again, this wonderful bespoke branding here. Look at that. A wrapper that goes around the box with the logo. I'm almost don't want to take this apart. Wow. So let's get this off of here. Present to camera. Wow, look at that. Look at that. We can see the voice box already assembled here. We've got a wrapping of some cables here. The SD adapter. Look at some audio components here. Look at this. This is just incredible. All right, now let's lay some of these out and take a look at them individually, shall we?
Thank you for watching. Please be sure to click like and hit that subscribe button down below to be first to see the next chapter in this exciting series, showcasing the work of Alessandro Zagni's ZA Electronics Season 3 and 4 switch panel package.